drip, drip.
Came through dripping,
Drip, drip.
came through dripping,
Drip, drip.
diamonds on my wrist, they dripping.
Ice. Came through dripping. Drip.
So I know I've been going a while, but I've been super busy. I moved recently, and you know, I'm working in Staten Island. So I bought a new car, but I have some clips of it. But let's get into this vegan channel and all my good videos. But I missed you guys. Hey dolls, so let's talk about this makeup. Do y'all see it? Oh my god. But I have to get it's like a memory card to put on my GoPro because it just does not, like my phone, this iPhone, these iPhones, let me tell you, they are not all they cracked up to be. But let's just talk about this. Look, I'm going to Dunkin' right now. Let's get into these veggies. I cut up all these colorful peppers. I got my scallions. Don't forget, cut them up on a clean board. They all washed. Here's my onions. Sometimes I use the white ones or the red one. You can use what you like. Some fresh garlic. You know, just get all your stuff prepared. But I love some candy yams. Oh my goodness. I cut it up already. Put it in the pan with a little butter. I found this vegan butter. And I put some cane sugar and some cinnamon. So they all evenly cut. Looking great. Oh my gosh, look at that. Just a little bit of water, some alkaline water, of course. Okay, put my oven on 360. Don't mind my oven. It's already in the pan. It's heated, preheated. Put it in, covered, and when it comes out, it should be so soft, like just falling off of the fork. So this is my favorite. Let me just say, this is my all-time favorite. I could eat it every dang day. But anyway, I'm greedy. So anyway, back to this. It's done steaming. It's looking oh so delicious. So I hope y'all try it. If y'all do, comment below if you love it. If you eat it other than Thanksgiving. Because I eat it anytime. I'm just saying. But enjoy, guys. They got Chipotle black beans.
She happy when she saw something. Look, hey, don't run.
So I love me some aloe, fresh aloe, by the way, with some ginger. I cut it up. This is how I do it, to blend it all up and make a juice. So it's all cut up in little cubes. That's the yummy gooey stuff. Then I put it in the blender in my Ninja, and it's already on. I mix it up with some orange juice, some fresh orange juice, by the way. I squeeze the oranges. This is the finished product. I'm about to put my Dunkin' straw in it and drink up. Now, this is so good. I just can't. Like, I have to. Sometimes you can use pineapple juice. Like, aloe is bitter. If y'all don't know, it's bitter. Bitter. Let me tell you, I cannot eat this thing without any kind of juice. So, vegan or raw, or if you squeeze some pineapple juice, you can't eat it by itself, but it's good other than that. Ooh, it's so good. Yes, try it. If y'all try it, let me know. See, I'm still here drinking at this juice. I made like a next batch, so don't think this is the same one. As you can see, I have on my coat now, and I'm almost finished this one. But what was I saying? I'm just saying that it was good. Now I'm on to our next juice. So basically this is like a smoothie. Now let me tell you what I have in it. A whole heap of stuff. Let me get my list. Blueberry, banana, cinnamon, some soy ice cream, vanilla ice cream, and a little bit of cane sugar, some ice, and call it a day. This is a great antioxidant. The soy milk is vegan. It's like, was it nuts? So don't worry, guys. Enjoy. Yes, so I'm about to get my car. I wonder what we're gonna get. Let's see. Look at this. No. We got the Kias. Woo! Bing! Yes. That's what I'm getting. So I deserve it. Let's check it out. Oh, I gotta get in, honey. Oh, yes. Here I am in my new car. Close the door. How I'm looking? All right, dolls. Woo, we just wanna. Let me honk the horn. Hello. I'm so happy. Oh, it's about time. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this 3 Series X drive. All this power, even though I didn't get my charger, SRT. But thanks for watching, dolls. I will have an update on my IVF procedure, which is coming up. Maybe around my birthday, maybe a little after, because I'm trying to have an April baby, just like myself. And I'm still working on looking for my twin sister, so don't worry, guys. I am still motivated to doing what I said in my first YouTube video. So thanks for being a part of this journey with me. Thank you so much again, and I love you guys, all of you, and thanks for your support. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.